Excuse me, mister. Where is your mama supposed to sit? Come on, move, move. You guys, today we're talking luxury bag wish list. Let's go. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. I'm Stacey Elaine. I make videos for the modern working woman. We are style and beauty obsessed, but we are also cognizant of our budgets and our bills. We save up for these purchases, even though we lust after them and we want them really, really badly. I have put together a definitive shopping list for this year. The goal for myself for this year is that I will only purchase what is on this shopping list. The exception is I can spend less than $550 on any other bag. So if I could get a bag for less than $550, and I had to add the 50, let me be honest, because I'm an economist and I realize inflation is real out here in these streets, in the global streets, okay? Like, I did not have to go to Spelman for 4 years and get an economics degree to tell y'all this. You know it and I know it. Today's price, it's not yesterday's price, and that's all I'm gonna say. So because today's price for bags and everything else is not yesterday's price, I'm buying the bags this year. This is not a wish list, it's a shopping list. Because I have been waiting to buy some of these bags for years, people. Do you understand me? Some of these bags I knew I wanted, I'm gonna say back in 2017, 2018. 2019. You know what I was waiting on? Apparently a price increase, because that's what I'm about to get when I go shop for these bags this year. Even on the resale market, today's price, it's not yesterday's price. So we have to be cognizant. If you have a little cash, you've been saving up for the bag, sis, buy the bag. Because if you don't buy the bag, all you waiting on is a price increase. Now, last year, some bags jumped over these, like the Fendi First. When I saw it, I was like, be still my heart, baby. I'm getting the bag. I didn't know if they were going to come back out with it, if it was going to be part of its normal collection, what the price, resale price would be. I have no regrets about getting the Fendi First. But getting the Fendi First last year, because I'm cognizant of my budget and my bills, y'all. And I bought a house, honey. I spent $100,000 cold hard cash last year. I'm just saying, I'm just telling y'all, it was a cash outflow year. It was not a year where I was really trying to buy all the bags. You know, if you saw all the bags I bought in 2021, I bought way more contemporary bags than luxury bags. That's not going to be this year, though. We're about finished with this house. We're about finished with these furnishings. Let's get into this shopping list that is going to elevate my current wardrobe, that's going to make me look chicer, more professional, more put together, that's going to elevate the looks that I have right now and present me as my best version of myself right now. And we're going to hurry up and get it, because by the time this video is over, somebody may have already had another price increase. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Okay, the first item, the first bag on the shopping list this year. I know one person in real life who has this bag. This is my friend Candace. If y'all really want to know the tea, Candace is the reason why I'm a bag lover, because I was a shoe lover and I was a fashion lover, and Candace was like, no, sis, let me teach you the ways of the bag lovers. And here I am out in the bag loving streets. So let's give a big shout out to Mrs. Candace, or Can as I call her, because Can got me out here loving the bags. And she has the Balmain Bee Buzz bag, 23. I want the bag in a grained leather version. I love it. I will take the bag really in any version that goes with my wardrobe and looks and that can add to my wardrobe in a way that no other bag does. But I am showing pictures, honey, and the bag is beautiful. So the Balmain B-Buzz 23, I'm thinking it might go really well in a nude grained leather. But if you guys have one of these bags other than Can, leave it in the comments below. I know Can loves hers. I asked her if she did. She was like, yeah, she mine. I'm going to stand beside her. So, you know, Balmain B-Buzz. If you've never seen this bag, it is absolutely gorgeous in person. The second bag on my shopping list for this year is a Coach Rogue. And I know you might be thinking, girl, I thought you said luxury. But baby, today's price for the Coach Rogue is not what we were paying yesterday for the Coach Rogue. I think now if I want a custom Coach Rogue, it's gonna run me about $1,200. Yes, I love the Coach Rogue. I love the versatility. I am someone that works in the office in a professional setting. I like the organization. I like the space. And I like that it's soft and expandable. And I just really love the Rogue collection. I've wanted one for many years. And so let me be honest. I want a Coach Rogue, and I've been waiting to get one. I've been waiting to get one in a specific colorway. I just need to customize the Coach Rogue to my liking and go ahead and get it, because say it with me, people, today's price is not yesterday's price for the Coach Rogue. I keep waiting, and I'm just waiting on a price increase. The third bag on this list, and let me see if this is the only Louis Vuitton. This is the only Louis Vuitton bag on the entire shopping list. I'm not feeling Louis Vuitton right now. What are y'all thinking about that brand? I feel like they're confused. They don't know who they want to be. They don't really know who they want to serve. So I just want one bag. And this bag was on my last wish list, but now, baby, it's a shopping list. We got to go get her. And that is an Alma BB. That is one of Louis Vuitton's classic bags that I actually want. I don't want a Speedy. I don't want a Neverfull. I don't want any of those bags. I only want an Alma BB, but I don't want one with vachetta leather anywhere. I don't want one in Damier Ebene with that plastic looking leather strap. I just have to figure out which version. I want a cool Alma BB. I want one that just speaks to me, and I haven't seen that. And so I keep waiting on them to flex on the Alma BB, and they just don't. They just leave her basic, you know, and I don't want to be basic. I want to be fabulous. Okay, we're going to go into the Saint Laurent portion of the shopping list. Number one, I want a Saint Laurent baby size sac de jour. The sac de jour is a tote bag. Again, I'm a professional woman. I need professional bags that go with my professional wardrobe. A lot of you, if you're not in the office or working remote, you don't have these bag needs. But for me, I am. Today, look, I'm in my professional wardrobe. I need bags that go with my work clothes. At my job, I'm telling y'all right now, where I work, we not going remote. So I will need to continue to invest in professional tote bags like the Sac de Jour. Even though I don't plan to put my laptop in it, it is a very nice professional bag for when I go on business development meetings and when I meet clients and when I go talk to people and, you know, all of this. It is a very nice bag that I think will elevate my wardrobe, and I just need to find the color, material, blah 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 that I want in that bag. But I plan to buy a baby Sac de Jour. I'm gonna tell y'all, the Saint Laurent Jamie bag, it just calls my name. Like, I don't have any other lambskin bags on my wish list, but this Jamie though, like I just think she's edgier and younger than a Chanel reissue. Do y'all get that vibe from the Jamie? Like, talk back to me, let me know. I just think, and I'll put a picture of the reissue there, and I'll put a picture of the Jamie here. And I want it in black leather with the gold hardware. And I know that you got a baby in it, and I know you can't carry it everywhere around everybody and everybody's babies. I know that. I know sometimes you got to file your fingernails down before you carry it back. I know that. And I still want her. I do. I still want her. And last but not least, baby, we want a Saint Laurent envelope bag. I want the Saint Laurent envelope bag in the black on black, because it'll be on black. And black is beautiful. You get what I'm saying? Like, I just envision cool girl vibes wherever I go with this bag. Like, Saint Laurent to me is just a cool girl brand. Like, honestly, it's not classic, it's edgy. The Saint Laurent woman is edgy. She's pushing the envelopes, you know, and I think this dang black on black, baby. And I have a few looks that I'm just like, girl, I need to get the Jamie or the envelope. I don't know which one I'm going to get first. Please leave in the comments below which one of these bags do you think I should get first. Should I get the Jamie or the envelope first? Now, the Jamie is like all lambskin. She's more expensive. But the envelope is like always there. I feel like the Jamie will leave the collection before the envelope. Oh, talk back to me. Let me know what you think. We are now entering the most lengthy portion of the shopping list, which is Fendi. I'm a Fendi girl in a Fendi world, honey. And the first one on the list is the Fendi Can I bag, monogrammed. Now, this bag used to come in way more colorways. I'll show you the bag that is currently in the boutique right now and the colorway that it comes in. I'll show you the colorway that I have seen on Fashion File that I have hearted and I'm following currently. And I will show you a picture of the Can I that came out a few years ago, honey, that's been on my Pinterest board for as long as I've had a bag section on my Pinterest board. But I love this bag. I love the flap. I want a flap bag from Fendi. I love Fendi and I want a flap bag, and this is one that I want. I'm just saying, I just got to make a choice. Then we will go into the section where I'm just buying another version of bags I already love from Fendi. I would love a mini Fendi Peekaboo, another one. I feel like the mini Fendi Peekaboo is the perfect size handbag for me. And so I would really love another one. I would love another version of the Fendi Peekaboo. I would also love another version of the Fendi By the Way. I would love a Fendi By the Way. I used to love the all pink one with the monogrammed handles. Now, they don't sell that one anymore. So I have to just wait until Fendi comes out with a version of the By the Way that I love, or I see a previous version on the resale market that I love. But the Fendi By the Way is a beautiful bag. I have one in a snakeskin print, but it's just not a daily bag. And the By the Way shape is really like a daily work bag, I feel like. So I just want to get a By the Way that is going to be more conducive to a daily lifestyle. Lastly, on the Fendi portion of the shopping list for 2022 is just something from the Fendi Versace collaboration. I know a lot of people are not here for the collaboration. Okay, don't judge me, judge your mama. I'm just saying I loved it. I was here for it. There are a lot of pieces that I feel like I can add to my wardrobe because I have some black pants that could go with a hot pink top. I could wear the bodysuit. You know what I'm saying? I could get the cap. I saw pieces that I feel like I'm ready for. I know that it comes out in March, so I need to get my coin together. But yes, I definitely want to add pieces from that collaboration. I think it is iconic. I love the supermodels. It made me feel like, yes, we're going back to Miami, baby. You know what I'm saying? Like, and sometimes, you know, I'm that chick too, okay? I'm corporate, but I'm that chick too. Now we get into what I like to call my bougie babe section of my shopping list. It is number one, the Valentino Spike bag in a size medium. Again, it is a very beautiful flat bag. It has a top handle. It has the long strap. You can wear it crossbody as well. You can get a shoulder strap and then add to it, and it could just be so beautiful with that leather strap. I have them. Every time I see one on Fashion File, I'm following it, and I've been following this bag since 2019. He's been like on my radar. The first year it came out, 2018, I was like, what you doing over there, Valentino? But then Valentino just comes out with different collections and materials, and they're doing different things with the studs. And now they're at the Roman stud collection, and I'm not here for the Roman studs. She's a big one, and she puffy, and I don't want to do all of that. I want the Valentino Spike bag in the normal size studs that shine like stars in the night sky, honey. That's what I want for me in my life. I need it in a nude color, more of a nudish shade to go with my wardrobe. I am trying to get more into nudes and buy more nude handbags. And so that leads us to the very last bag on the shopping list for 2022, Chanel 19 medium on the shopping list. Because if I get a windfall, if God comes through in a mighty way, if the Holy Spirit ushers in cash like I ain't never seen before, I just might be able to get the bag. And I just want to be able to say that I told y'all that was a desire of my heart. And the Lord, He is good and He is faithful. He will bring us to the desires of our hearts. So that is my shopping list for 2022. I'm going to tell you right now, I've already bought 2 bags from this list. I'm not playing with y'all. And in the next video, I will show you the first bag that I have. Not the one I bought. I'm still waiting on the first one I bought to be delivered. But today I went into the boutique and I got one. Because I'm not waiting on the price increases. I ain't got time. As I say in every video, be blessed to be a blessing, Girl Boss Beauties. Please leave a comment in the description. Please leave a comment below trying to guess which bag you think I got. Which bag do you think I am going to unveil for you next? Which one? I'll see y'all later. Say bye, Pooh.